welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a fall decorate with me on a budget.
Today's video is also a collaboration, and I'm super excited to be hosting this collab with these awesome ladies. We've been conversating over the last few weeks about this collaboration, and they've been such an awesome group of women to work with. I know you're going to love their channels. So when you're done watching this video, make sure that you hit up the description box below to find Connor, Amber, and Katie's links to their channels and a playlist where you can find all of our videos. I'm really excited about this collab because each one of these ladies has a completely different version of the fall collab on a budget. So I think you're going to learn a bunch of things from all of our videos. I hope you enjoy.
So when you're done watching this, there will be a playlist in the description below. Go definitely check them out and run through that playlist. I'm also going to link all of their channels individually below so that it's easy for you to get to another one. If you really liked it, you can rewatch it just by coming back to this video and looking in the description box below. So one of my very first tips when it comes to saving money when you're decorating for the holidays, which is always fun to do, especially when you have kids, is to go through what you already have. So shop your supply. So I'm going to go through and show you guys what I already have. I went to my storage unit and I pulled out all of our Halloween and fall decorations. And currently, Mason is over there going through the boxes and separating between fall and Halloween. So I'm going to show you guys what we have so far, and then I'm going to share with you my other tips. Now, before I show you that though, I just want to share with you really quickly that I only spent about $6 or $7 this entire season for little extras because I'm going to use the stuff that I already have in the house that's decorated all year long, and I'm just going to add my fall stuff in with that. So what's great about this is that if you go with sort of a classic style like I like to do, then you can just add one piece or two pieces here and there. And what I actually got was all from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to take you around in a few minutes and I'm going to show you what we have already, but I'm also then going to do a little shop with me and show you what we have at the other places that I checked out, even though I really didn't pick up much from there. So let's go and check out what we have already.
We both know it's too late, but I think you already know. 'Cause it shows that every time you're around I try to stay on the low, but it grows, that crazy feeling that I want you here with me. I wanna push it on down, but it will not leave. It's like I'm losing my mind, turning wrong into right.
Right before mommy does like something, I don't know, like talking that she's best at. What I want to show you my thing that I made with these, and then my fall tree and my wreath. So what I did with these is I got two pumpkins and I put them in the truck, so like it looks like folly. And like, this is my fall tree I made in kindergarten, which I am now in 3rd grade. So this is a pretty long time ago, and these are like the roots hanging down from the tree. And like, I really like it because like, this is my first, I think this is my first ever fall project. And at school, and here's like some leaves falling down, and like here's like leaves. And then my other one that I want to show you is one that mommy and I made together, I think my 2nd ever fall project. And then like, we put tons of leaves on a paper plate and we cut the middle. And it took a lot of gluing and like, all hands kind of got all sticky, right mommy?
Mm-hmm, show them. Let's see it. Nice. And do you remember we made a YouTube video about it?
And guys, if you go on YouTube, you might find this on it. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you, and I'll see you later.
My next tip is to hunt your bargain stores, not just Ross and Marshall's, which I love, and we did a little shop with me footage, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Of course, the Dollar Tree is awesome as well, but the main thing that I like to go and shop is my bargain grocery store, and they have some amazingly outrageous deals. So I'm going to take you along and we're going to do a little bit of shop with me at our bargain stores. All right, let's go.
I don't think we got enough time to
sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. And now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah.
Now that we're back and we've been to all of our bargain stores, I'm going to show you what I picked up this year for our fall decor. And I really only spent about $7.
Okay, guys, so this is all that I bought at the store. Seriously. I bought 2 of these little pumpkins at the Dollar Tree. They're exactly the same. They have this little gold top, super cute. So 2 of those. And then I actually did buy something from Target. So I bought this. They're wood letters. And they say welcome. And that's going to be for a DIY sign that I'm going to do. So if you want to see that, comment below and I will do that. I'll film it for you. Those were, let me see, $3. Okay, so 3, 4, $5. And then I got 2 placemats from the Dollar Tree. And you can see that I've actually already hot glued them together and left a little bit open so that I can stuff this with stuffing and turn it into a pillow for downstairs. I did this with a couple Christmas placemats as well from the Dollar Tree, and they work out really nice. So if you want to see how that all comes together too, then let me know and I will do it on camera for you. Obviously, I've already put them together. But you know what? I think I have a video. I'll try to link it above if I can find it from when I did the Christmas ones. I think I have that.
Before I go and show you all the decorations, I just want to hit on 2 more really awesome ways that you can find bargain or budget decor. And so my very first one is to go to a garage sale. So I found a lot of really big pieces at garage sales for free. And that's been amazing because these pieces probably would have cost anywhere from 10 to 15 bucks that I don't want to spend, and I don't really have to spend for things that we're only going to have out for a couple of months or a couple weeks out of the month, right? So the next thing is to go to the Goodwill, Salvation Army, places like that. A lot of the times you will find items that you can use in your decor, but my biggest suggestion is to try to shop them near the end of the holiday or early on in the year before the holiday starts. Because once the holiday starts, they mark those prices up and knowing that that's what you're gonna come in and get. So those are two of my biggest tips that I really don't hear people talk about very often when it comes to budgeting and making your house still look nice with any type of decor. All right, so let's walk around the house and let me show you what I did with the place. But first, before we do that, I did a little bit of dusting and a little bit of surface cleaning because what would a fall decorate with me be without cleaning, right? All right, let's go, guys.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and the broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the leads. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Different breed, 'cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
It isn't, obviously the way I'm explaining it, it's not working.
Did y'all just see that? Y'all did, thank God, because I just scrubbed the sink. And this guy, oh, he's running away. That guy just spit his nasty tobacco in my sink.
Not me. It wasn't
Oh,
me.
yes, we're gonna do it again.
This is one of my favorite pieces for the fall. I also leave it out for Halloween, but it's just a little candle holder, and I have a Mrs. Meyer's apple cider candle in there. But this is a piece that I think I got from Goodwill, if I'm not mistaken. I picked it up about 3 years ago, and I know I paid less than $3 for it. It's just one of those pieces that I look forward to seeing every year because it has such a nice detail. Unfortunately, it doesn't pick up very well on camera. Next, we're going to head upstairs and do a little bit of dusting and decorating in the hallway. I'm also going to put a few things in my bedroom and a couple little signs up here. I do want to mention that this was just the first round of decorating. I have a few more things that are going up that I realized were still in my storage unit, and I did go back and find those. So stay tuned for those in a new cleaning video.
When the world is on your shoulders and you feel like falling over,
Here's all the decor that I took out from the bathroom, my bedroom, and from this little stand here that I'm going to show you guys in a minute. There's a little preview. But I'm going to work some of this into the decor now, and then I'm going to put some of it back away for after the holidays. This is not what you think it is. Mason made that from a Chinese maple leaf from the backyard. But it's a candle holder now.
Here's what this space looks like as of now. Of course, it might change up a little bit as the season goes, but I wanted to show you this really awesome little house. And I got this at a garage sale for free. It's a little apple stand, and Mason loves this. It's one of his favorite pieces, and it's mine too. And then this is a pumpkin I inherited, and I stuck a creme brulee pumpkin candle inside of it. And all the candles that you're seeing are actually repeats from last year that I picked up from Marshall's or the bargain market. And then this is a little VW bus that was handmade in Puerto Vallarta by a native Mexican tribe, and I just love it. We also have a deer, and then I keep extra candles and room spray in that little basket down there all year long. And then next to it, if you see that little broom, which you'll see in a minute when I pan back, I actually made that broom while we were camping this year because, as you know, we go camping for 2 weeks and I get a little bit bored. So I made that awesome broom, and it just goes so cute with the decor this year.
The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me till we fall asleep? The night is young, won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me?
I absolutely love how these two turned out over here. So I put the little tiny, what are these? Cake holders? Yeah, I put the little cake holders that I got from Target a couple years ago with the Dollar Tree pumpkins I got this year. And I have one on each side. And then this is something I've had for a while. This is another cake stand that I got actually from Target, but I paid like $3 for it because it has a mini chip somewhere. So I got this from my husband's grandma, and it's like a jewelry stand. It's like a little mirrored tray, and it's got little crystals. It makes rainbows in my room everywhere in the morning, and it's so pretty. And I haven't epoxied it or anything. I just sit it right on top. Look, the Target sticker is still there. So, and there's a chip, which is part of the reason it was cheap. And then there's another chip on one of these little groove things too. But the way that I have it, you can't see. So I've just turned it into like a double tiered jewelry stand on one. And then I put like accessories and my perfume on the bottom. And then I just love how those little pumpkins turned out right next to it. It's so cute.
Now we're headed downstairs to my living room, and I'm going to show you my two favorite spots down here that I decorate. I absolutely love when it's nighttime and I can get them all lit up because all the signs sparkle so pretty. I just love lights. So this is a sign I got from Dollar Tree, and everything actually there I got from Dollar Tree except for that truck, which is from Target Dollar Spot from last year. And then this is my absolute favorite place of my house. It's got all of our family photos, and it just feels so warm and cozy. I always keep those string lights up. And then sometimes I light the candles in there, but not always because a lot of times I forget about candles. Now here's a little decorating trick that I learned when I worked at Nordstrom. You can use clear Tupperware or anything clear to use as a riser to lift up and elevate your space. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to go down to the description box below and check out the other ladies' videos. I'm super excited to head over there myself. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you enjoy this content. I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye.